or a cream eyeliner. Oh my god. Hi gorgeous, so today we're going to be unboxing another variation of the L'Oreal Advent Calendar. The price of this one is 100 euros and we have 24 products. It is a little bit more expensive than the other variation because I bought it from the UK. This time the box came beaten up. Some of the products are moving through the advent calendar. And also a shout out to you that told me on Instagram there is another variation of the advent calendar. Thank you so much. So thanks babes. So door number 2 moved. I think it is somewhere here. Oh no, I have another product. So I will start with door number 1. This one looks like a lip gloss. Oh, we also lost this one. Oh my god. I think I found door number 1. This one was floating. This is the Infallible 24-hour lipstick in the shade 506, red infallible. The letters are so small. And on one side we have the Color Intense lipstick. It is this one. It is a liquid lipstick. And on the other side we have the Boosting Balm. And it is a full size. Ooh, glorious color. Super beautiful. I'm gonna let it dry. And on the other side we have a lip balm. It has just a little bit of color and a very beautiful glossy finish. Nice. The other side is not drying. Maybe this is a lip gloss? I don't know. Let's try again. Oh, okay, now it's not transfer proof, so you need to let it dry for a couple of minutes. And you can also apply the clear lip balm on top of it if you want to have the glossy finish. Door number 2 looks like a primer. But, oh, it's here! I thought we lost the product. This one is the Infallible Super Grip Primer for combination to oily skin. I have actually tried this on my dry skin. If you want to see the wear test of this product, I'm going to have a link in the description box below. This is door number 3. I think it is a lipstick. Yes. This one is the Color Rich Matte Lipstick in the shade 633 Mocha Chic. Let's see the shade that we got. And ooh, it's so gorgeous. Very nice opacity. I have tried this one in a different color and it is a little bit drying on the lips. So I want to see if with a different lip pencil I can make it less drying. Door number 4 looks like a lipstick. Oh, the lipstick is here. So we lost products from this side. We have here the Color Rich Matte Lipstick in the shade 640 Erotic. And we also had it in the other L'Oreal Advent Calendar. I brought the other one so I can swatch it and show you the shade. It reminds a little bit the previous color, but it is darker and pinkier, I think. This one is very nice for a brown smoky eye look. Door number 5. I think it is a lipstick again. I'm fine. This is a Color Rich Matte Lipstick in the shade 265 Rose Perle. Rose Perle? So, let's see what we got. Ooh, this is pretty. I thought it would be very light. Okay, so this one has a different opacity. It's not like the matte lipstick. It has a shiny finish and this can make your lips look healthier. Moving on to door number 6, it looks like a blush that they have. Le Blush, I think it's called. I'm right. And this one is the Le Blush in the shade 150 Candy Cane Pink. It also comes with a little brush and also a mirror. The mirror is not that bad, but I don't like the small brush. I mean, it's not practical to hold or apply blush. I don't know, I think it is very small. Okay, so I really tried to make the color noticeable. This is with 80 layers of product. It has a beautiful sheen. You can also use it for medium complexion, I think, because you can see that you can make it quite darker. Door number 7 here. It looks like a lipstick again. Oh, we don't have something. So I think it is the lipstick that I found earlier. And we have here the Color Rich Matte Lipstick in the shade 349 Paris Cherry. Let's see the color. Oh, it looks so nice. Door number 8 looks like a mini product. I'm gonna say an eye makeup remover. So everything is printed in Spanish and I don't know the name of the product. It says Elviv, Nuevo Formato. I'm guessing new formula. It looks like a hair oil. Let's sniff it. I'm not sure if it has a scent. It has a light flowery scent. Okay, so I'm gonna have the name here because now I don't know what it is. Day number 9 is an eyeliner. This one is the Le Liner Signature Eyeliner in the shade 9 Turquoise. We have a Twistable Eye Pencil. Ooh, it is creamy. Super nice. And as I can see, it has a light sheen. This one blends very easily. You can also use it in the waterline to intensify a blue smoky eye look. I'm gonna say a lip liner for door number 10. I'm not able to find it. Day number 11. I think it is a mascara. This is how, oops, the packaging is. This is the Lash Paradise Black Mascara. We also had it in the other advent calendar, but with a different design, a limited edition design. So I'm gonna show you the limited edition brush, so I don't have to open that mascara as well. And this is how it looks. I have tried this mascara again. It is a very nice mascara if you want volume and length. Let's go to day number 12. I'm gonna say again a lip liner. This one is the Perfect Slim by Super Liner. It is a 24-hour eyeliner. It is waterproof. We also had it in the other advent calendar. This is in the shade Intense Black, and we have a doe foot applicator. The tip is very soft. Now it is completely dry. It's not a matte eyeliner. This one has a shiny finish. Door number 13 here. Oh, I have a mascara. This one is the Mega Volume Collagen 24 Hour in extra black, and I have never seen this mascara before. I like that on the tube we have an icon with a spoolie, so you can see the shape of it before buying. It is actually what you see on the tube. This applicator is a little bit too big for my eyes. I prefer something thinner. Door number 14. I'm gonna say mascara because I know the packaging. You know, after unboxing so many advent calendars. Oh, we have 2 products. So I'm guessing this one is door number 10. This one is door number 14. It is a Lash Paradise Mascara Primer. So if you want extra volume, you can use the primer with the mascara. The mascara works very nice by itself, so I don't know why they have also a primer. It is super pretty. I really like the tube of it. This is how the spoolie looks. I think it doesn't have the same applicator with the mascara. And this one is day number 10. It is the Color Rich Lip Liner in the shade 302 Bois de Rose. And we had it in the other advent calendar as well. This is such a nice formula. I have already tried this color and it is not feathering, it is long wearing. I have used it with a very expensive lipstick, and the only way that lipstick was looking good is because of the lip liner. And after that we have day number 15. I'm gonna say a mascara. Oops, stay in place. This is the Elnett Hairspray. Again, everything is in Spanish and I'm not able to translate. I don't know Spanish. This one is a mini. We had a different version of it in the other advent calendar. Door number 16 was already open. This is a Plump and Set Brow Artist in transparent. This is the spoolie that we have. It is clear, so you can use it on any brow hair color. Day number 17 looks like a bronzer or a blush. Let's see. So maybe it is the eyeshadow. Yeah, okay, it is a single eyeshadow. This is the oil eyeshadow in the shade 16, Determination. It has a soft formula. It's not a very matte eyeshadow. It has just a little bit of sheen. I'm gonna be reviewing all of the L'Oreal products in a video, so stay tuned. Door number 18 looks like a hair product. This one is the Elvive Dream Long. It is a no-frizz serum, and we also had it in the other L'Oreal advent calendar. And this is a full size. I like the colors of the packaging. I think I haven't sniffed this. Oh, it smells so nice. It's a little bit flowery, but not overpowering. Door number 19 looks like tweezers. I hope they're not. This is the Likol by Super Liner. It is an eye pencil in the shade 101 Midnight Black. And let's watch it. Ooh, super creamy. and it has a great color payoff. It is very easy to blend on the skin, so it's gonna be easy for the eyelid as well. Door number 20 here. I don't know, it looks like a single eyeshadow, but I don't think it is. Nope, this one is the Revita Lift Laser. The name again is in Spanish. I'm gonna find the name and put it here. So, I always forget that L'Oreal has skincare. This one has a light scent of flowers again. The packaging is very pretty. It looks like a face cream. This one is day 21. I was not filming for some reason. This is the product. And we have here the Age Perfect Lip Liner Definition in the shade 639 Glowing Nude. Ooh, it is pretty. Very, very creamy. I really like the color, it is peachy. This shade is super gorgeous. And day 22, I think, is this product here, but let's see. Yeah, this one is the Revita Lift Filler with hyaluronic acid. It provides 24 hours of hydration. Here we have day number 23. It looks like a cream eyeshadow or a cream eyeliner. Oh my god. The products were not secure in this advent calendar. I hope I didn't break it. I was right. This one is the Age Perfect Cream Eyeshadow in the shade 4 Timeless Top. Let's see the color. I hope it didn't move. It looks matte. I thought it was gonna be a shiny eyeshadow. That's not bad. You can use it for a smoky eye look. Okay, I applied a lot. So it's very spreadable. It has a nice color payoff. You don't need a lot of product. Moving on to day 24. It looks like a bronzer or a blush because it has exactly the same packaging. Oh, it's a blush. This one is the Blush of Paradise in the shade 1 Life is a Peach. Nice. I love peachy blushes. So the color is very light. It looks like a highlighter. It's not even noticeable on my skin tone. In the pan it looks more saturated in color. I would prefer if this was more inclusive. I am between 4.5 stars and 5 stars for this advent calendar because we have some mini products, also because we have more lipsticks. Let me know in the comments how many stars you are giving to this advent calendar, and you can watch next the Maybelline advent calendar. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe and click on the notification bell, and I will see you in the next one. Bye!